Hey, do you want to learn your forward roll? Oh my gosh, let's go over some tips. I'm Coach Megan, and I've been coaching gymnastics for a long time. This is an updated video, just going over like the super important stuff so we have no injuries, because rolling is very important. You know, hey, maybe it could save you one day. So let me show you a forward roll first. Ta-da! So you want to start in a squat position, which is here. You don't want to move your hands out like this. A lot of kids do that, and then look, they go right on their top of their head. Okay, so keep your hands here about this far in front of your feet. You're gonna pick your butt up in the air, but as your butt goes up, I need you to start sticking your head in your stomach immediately, ASAP. So my butt goes up, I'm gonna put the back of my head down, not the top. Never put the top of your head. It's against the rules of gymnastics. The back, okay? So I'm here, I don't move my hands, my butt goes up. As soon as it goes up, get that back of your head to the ground fast. You see that? Back of my head, I can see behind me. Now I'm gonna get my feet over my head really, really fast. And then my feet go close to my butt. When I stand up, I lean forward, reach my hands here, stand up tall. Great. When you do your roll, you want to keep your knees together, nice pointed toes, good form. And a lot of kids, what they do is they straighten out a little too much, and then they try to go on their head and they end up like falling onto their back. So that's why it's really important to try and get that back of your head to the ground as quickly as possible. But if you just go like this, what did I forget to do? I forgot to get my booty up. You gotta get it up in the air and get that old wedgie, like someone's pulling up your pants. So watch again, I'm gonna do it in slow motion. My butt goes up. I immediately get that head in my stomach. Feet go over my head fast in a tucked position. And knees together, I'll do one facing you. So here, get that head to the ground fast. Feet over my head, because if you forget to get your feet over your head, then what's gonna happen is this. Your feet are gonna get stuck back here, and then you could hurt your neck, and then you're gonna be like, so really get those over fast. And yeah, as soon as you start rolling, stay in your tuck. Okay, you don't need to straighten out. Eventually you can do a pipe forward roll, but we're just gonna straighten out a tiny bit in the beginning and then get in that nice tight tuck. And then someone's standing back here, they're pulling your feet this way, up and over. So good way to practice, you can just go here with your hands by your shoulders, tuck your knees slightly, and just get those feet to your butt as soon as you can. Okay, so I'll show you that from this angle. Hands by your shoulders, butt up, tuck your chin, and remember to lean forward a little and get those feet close to your butt. It'll make it easier, and try and keep your knees together if you can. You can do this, you can tuck your chin, hold on to your legs right here. You can roll back, nice and round. Remember, when you roll, don't ever be in an arch. It's just not gonna work. Roll back, feet to your bum, and stand up. So that's pretty much all the rules. And when you're first learning, go on something soft. It just makes more sense that way. Ooh, this pillow's so nice. So you wanna start like in front of the pillow and just make sure your hands are in the same spot, not too far. Oh man, it was like a dream. Then you have no problems. And ladies, you wanna make sure you have like either a real high ponytail or a real low ponytail, because if you have one right here, it's gonna not feel so wonderful. Just remember, back of your head, stick that head in your stomach, Get your butt up, feet over your head fast, stand up without using those hands, and you are in the rolling business. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. I have a ton more videos on gymnastics. I was a former level 10 gymnast and I've coached for a long time. I was even a judge at one point. It's a little too stressful for me though, so I think I'll stick to coaching. So yeah, check out my app, and all the videos are listed out there for you. I'll put it in the description. And the artwork in here is by my amazing husband who's filming right now. He's so good at that art stuff. I can't even draw a stick figure. Here's your end of the video trick. See you later.